breaks. Dot, not a dot. Come jeans, come shoes, come shot. Wall my phone, wall my liquor, wall my cup. Bring it up. Yo, me evil like that.
Easy. Before a song even drop, brother, me I tell you, say, the thing sound like a vibe.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit and smash and a bang. Take on the show my deal today, you know. Yeah, man, people. I get requests from the one heavy, you see me? Yeah, man, I get a Intence, Puissant, a Puissant, how one person pronounce it. But yeah, I get be a request from for the one, you see me? So I can drop down 2 days ago, and be people like me something to do a reaction to the one, so you don't know if you check it out, because you don't know, so this is a littest reaction, you know. But you know, people, you don't know, Intence is not new to the channel. A long time I listen to Intence, and man have some sick tune. You don't know, say if anybody will know Intence, know say yo, Intence is a youth full of style and thing, you know. Man thing mad, man full of style, and him have lyrics too. You see me? No lie, man thing different, and him have a very catchy sound to him. You see me? But yeah, man, we check it out today. The one and him Puissant, everybody a talk about it. So you don't know anything said on the channel, we check it out. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning views and subscribe, I don't know some love and like cook food already. I don't know where I grow already. They continue love our support. I don't know. I'm grateful. I don't know how we go shoot for the stars and the moon. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, man, Intence back on the scene. You see me? Intence, you know. Come like that, come drop a banger for here. I go see what I go on with my deal with the new year. You see me? No, not all each pan the vibes too long with the one here. So without further ado, this is Intence, Puissant. Let's get it.
No breaks. Dot, not a dot. Come jeans, come shoes, come shot. Wall my phone, wall my liquor, wall my cup. Bring it up. Yo, me evil like that.
Easy. Before a song even drop, brother, me I tell you, say, the thing sound like a vibe. Yo, Intence, them intro always sick, you know. That's one thing you can say, man, intro always sick. And you hear the sound there, right there, so that's a classic Intence sound I talked about a while ago. Yo, come in. Can you hear say a bass style and vibes on the point when I hear it going on?
No breaks. Dot, not a dot. Come jeans, come shoes, come shot. Wall my phone, wall my liquor, wall my cup. Bring it up. Yo, me evil like talk. This my the phone, we are go hard. Like we get the antidote, top dog. Wait, never borrow loan, never from DJ loan. Fling the beam on in a sport, drive off. Can't fuck up any dance.
It was sick, brother. It was sick, brother. It's just, what, 24 seconds. Come on, man. Yo, I would do this. I couldn't try to do the song. I couldn't try to do the beat. I would do that. KD visuals, big up yourself. I see KD visuals, but I like our videos out there, you know. KD, can't forget about the videographers, you know, the videographers and you know. But yo, KD visuals, big up yourself, dog. You do some mad thing, dog. The director them, I can't forget about them.
No breaks. Dot, not a dot. Come jeans, come shoes, come shot.
Your man said that. Knock at that. Come jeans, come shoes.
Wall my phone, wall my liquor, wall my cup. Bring it up. Yo, me evil like talk. This my the phone, we are go hard. Like we get the antidote, top dog. Wait, never borrow loan, never from the.
Man said we don't even like talk. This somebody else the phone, we are go hard. Like we get the antidote, top dog. To them.
Alone, fling the beam on in a sport, drive off. Can't fuck up any dance, 100 grand to make for boss. Like you in a sim clothes, couple band.
The man say 100 grand to make for boss. Like you know, semi clothes. I'm to some boy.
No for 9 at arm shoes, blood clot away the booze. Psycho, bunny sauce. Buckle us, you reckon I'll save those first. Hashtag this for me on the pill alone. My pop Instagram, my woman talk. Fuck the filter on the stump, not you. Train a drip, me need a rug. And I'm style ton pussy in a frog.
The man said, she and a drip. Me need a rag. I'm a style ton pussy in a frog. Hey, easy. Here, yo.
Baby girl, no run me down better your jog. Broke fuck a red flag. Yo, me the evil like talk. This my the the phone we a go.
The man said, broke fuck a red flag. Easy, come
on. Like we get the antidote. Top dog, boss. Wait, never borrow loan. Never from DJ loan. Fling the beam on in a sport. Drive off. Gone fuck up in the dance. 100 grand to make for boss. Like you in a sim clothes. Couple bands. No for 9 at time shoes. Blood clot away the booze. Psycho, bonus sauce. Hype on boosted up, bud. Polo on the nothing puppy tug. No like broke girl and with no broke beach bud. No. Send goodbye the church by the beach by.
Where man say I wanna go dark, pull that up.
No. Send goodbye the church by the beach by the bug coil. Oh, the mouth start in your lad God. One bag of shot in I'm packing on sacks. Load them in time, I can't move me for chat. Which pussy can drip me on rap. Yo, me evil like talk. Broke girl and with no broke beach bud.
I have to find the line in the back, man. I have to find the line in the back, dog. Come on. We can't skip parts like
on the nothing puppy talk. No like broke girl and with no broke beach bud. No. Send goodbye the church by the beach by the bug coil.
Come on.
Hype on boosted up, bud. Polo on the nothing puppy talk. No like broke girl and with no broke beach bud. No. Send goodbye the church by the beach by the bug coil. Oh, the
man say pull on a nothing poppy tag. We no like broke bitch and we no broke bitch. Mad. Bad.
I'm starting your lad God. One bag of shot in I'm packing on sacks. Load them in time, I can't move me for chat. Which pussy can drip me on rap. Yo, me the evil like talk. This my the phone we a go hard. Like we get the antidote. Top dog. Wait, never lose a war. From gas in the car, dog. No one know the far. Drive off. Gone fuck up in the dance. 100 grand to make for boss. Like you in a sim clothes. Couple bands. No for 9 at time shoes. Blood clot away the booze. Psycho. Yo, me the evil like talk. We a go hard. Top dog.
This mad people.
No breaks. Dot, not a dot. Come jeans, come shoes, come shot. Wall my phone, wall my liquor, wall my cup.
This bad people. Come on, you can't tell me say this no mad. Oh no, can't tell me. Yo, me know what thinking in the comment section.
Yo, me the evil like talk. This my the phone we a go hard. Like we get the antidote. Top dog. Wait, never borrow loan. Never from DJ loan. Fling the beam on in a sport. Drive off. Gone fuck up in the dance. 100 grand to make for boss. Like you in a sim clothes. Couple bands. No for 9 at time shoes. Blood clot away the booze. Psycho, bonus sauce. Psycho.
Yo, that hard, that mad. No, me see why people talk about this. Yo, Intence, you outdid yourself again, dog. From your boss, you been consistent. Me not lie. You know, some me say consistent. Me don't mean like you drop tune back and rapidly, but I mean consistency. When you do drop tune, they have good quality. You see me? The visuals, all them always man. Your lyrics and your flow and the choice of beats and everything we choose for making music punk hard, brother. You know what I'm saying? So you keep up your good work, man. You know, people me know and think in the comment section. You see me? If you rate the song, if you rate the video, whatever you think, go show the artist some support. Make you know say Jambisco, you see me? You know, people call yo. Nah, lie, it's not one the one for real, man. You see me? Real dope track by Intence. Yeah, man. Hopefully, keep it up or keep eye up on Intence. You know, say he's no stranger to the channel. We've been listen to Intence and react to influence from when? From way before. Shit. Can't remember the first song we do for Intence. Dep on the channel, you can't always scroll through and see. But a long time I listen to Intence and I show support. So I continue to keep eye up on the artist. You see me as him growing in a dancehall thing and see when I deal with. But yeah, man, Intence, good look. You see me, lovey look. You see me, the song and everything, man. You see me, keep it up. You see me, and wish you the best in the industry and you keep growing. You see me, but people, don't know why your boy Jambisco out here, but then I hit and I smash and a banger. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section. Show the artist some support. Let me know what you want me to react to next. And until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.